teeth too.
Oh yeah.
That's good eating fish.
Right now we're at the creek, pretty close to where it meets the main river channel. Usually you can catch a little bigger stuff here, at least typically that's how it is around here. In the background here we got real skinny creek. It fills into this. It looks like a giant pond here. It's pretty cool. A couple deep pools with these eddies. Smallmouth seem to really like it.
Starting off with a swim bait and possibly switching it up to a crawl. I'm not really sure yet. We're starting to see the switch up a little bit, but it's not 100% yet.
Ride with the rhythm, all your problems will leave. Ride with the rhythm, 'cause the rhythm won't stop. Of each snare, and a familiar aroma fills up the air.
Rob, look at these trees. Literally growing right on the side of the rock.
Take a moment to breathe. Ride with the rhythm, all your problems will leave. Ride with the rhythm, 'cause the rhythm won't stop. Ride with the rhythm, take a moment to breathe. Ride with the rhythm, all your problems will leave. Ride with the rhythm, 'cause the rhythm won't stop.
Yeah. Alright, so little update. We're walking down this little channel here, and my handle on my reel just popped off. A bunch of springs and shit just popped out of it. I was able to kind of BS put it back together, thinking I'm needing a new reel or to get it serviced or something. But yeah, hopefully I make it through the rest of the day, because we got a lot more good holes like this one.
Ride with the rhythm, 'cause the rhythm pushes through. Ride with the rhythm, take a moment to breathe.